Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to enter daily sales in QuickBooks Online. You'll only use this customer account on your end of day sales receipt. Go to customers and select new customer. Now enter daily sales and select save. Make sure your daily sales accounts are set up right. Doing so can help you with a lot of accurate income reporting. To set up daily sales account, select the gear icon on the toolbar. Under your company, choose chart of accounts. Now select new and set up these accounts. Set up a daily sales category to keep your items organized. Select the gear icon on the toolbar. Under lists, choose all lists. Now select product categories and select new category. Then name the new category daily sales and select save. After that, select the gear icon on the toolbar. Under lists, choose products and services. Now select new and set up these items. Make sure to select daily sales as the category for each item. Next, you'll use this template every time you need to record total daily sales. Select the gear icon on the toolbar. Under list, choose recurring transaction and select new. From the transaction type drop down, choose sales receipt. Name your template daily sales and make sure the type is on schedule. Select daily sales as the customer. Select these items in the product/service column as shown here. Select the gear icon on the toolbar. Under list, choose recurring transactions. Then find your template, then select use from the action drop down. To better illustrate how your sales receipt should look like, check out a sample breakdown of total daily sales below. Total end of day sales example is you have $1,177.2 in total reported sales, $1,080 from sales income, plus $97.2 in sales tax. Your cash register count is $327, and the total of check payments is $316.10. Record the actual amount of funds deposited to the bank. To record the deposit, select plus new under other, choose bank deposit. Now select the bank account from the account drop-down. In the date field, enter the deposit date. After that, select the group of payments included in the deposit and select save. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.